other people have this weakness that they cannot create a name for themselves. They will need a name that has been created already and use that name to create a name for themselves. These are the people that you will find talking bad about other people, and somehow they always have this creativity to squeeze their own story and their own strength in the weaknesses of others. If they discover any weakness about anybody, they always have a comment, something to say. They always know what is the best thing to do in life. They always have it all figured out, and in their figuring out and in all their knowing, they always find a way to squeeze their own story so that they look better than the character they are actually discussing. I'm saying to you, there are a lot of people who will find your name very useful to build their own name out of your name. There is a group of people that will just find a way of creating a ladder to climb out of your name. So from today onward, please do not be discouraged. Don't underestimate yourself. Don't underestimate your power. Do not underestimate your capacity, your capability, and your creativity. When you hear someone, or when you find out that people have been discussing your name behind your back, don't describe yourself or define yourself according to the lens of your enemy. They will always find something bad to say. They will always find a way to grab on your weaknesses, but it is hardly you finding them complimenting and congratulating others. This is their weakness. They have no name, so they use others' names to build their own name. If you find yourself a victim, just know you've got a name. Shalom.